Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is a little bit of an Asos unboxing. Now, this is only one item, but it's a pretty good item in my opinion. So if you like this kind of video, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Matt. Do take a moment to subscribe, click that button down below. If you like hauls, unboxings, too good to go bags, come shop with me. It's like round H&M, Zara, Primark, Mr Village and other places, as well as grocery hauls, other vlogs and style videos. You'll definitely want to take a moment to subscribe to my channel, so click that button down below and ring my bell to be notified of when I upload. But other than that, we're going to get on to today's video because I ordered this on Sunday, I believe, and it came on today, which is Wednesday, and they said it would be delivered on or before tomorrow, which is Thursday. This is a one item haul, but it's kind of back to my not roots, because I didn't start doing this, but I did back in the day, probably like 6 years ago, 2014 time. Is that 6 years ago? Yeah, it is, bloody hell. I did a few unboxings of like shoes and stuff. Spoiler, it's a pair of shoes. I'm gonna just open this because otherwise we'll be here all day. Now, I had these in my saved items, as in I put them in my basket, don't buy them, and then they go into my saved items. I don't necessarily put stuff specifically in my saved items. I always put it in my basket and then it goes over the hour on Asos and then it ends up in my saved items. For a while, because I looked at them last time they had a 20% off. Spoiler, I got 20% off this purchase because they had a 20% off day, and actually today when I'm filming this, it probably won't be this when I put it up. They had like 30% off, I didn't put these in, well, I put these in my basket and tried that 30% off and it worked on this, which I'm a bit bummed about, but because I could have got more money off them rather than 20%, but that's a good deal. They were on sale anyway, so I will have to put, because I'm using my phone to film, I'll have to put the price of what they were originally and then what I paid, what they were on sale and then what I paid for them, because I got quite a good discount on them. Unless there's something in here. No, they never put the seats and stuff in the Asos things anymore. But yeah, so I had an eye on these. I wanted a new pair of white trainers because I feel like I get a new pair of white trainers every summer. I should stop doing that because you can probably hear it. Because the ones I'm wearing now, they've gone a bit funny. They're Zara ones, and don't get me wrong, I love a good pair of Zara trainers, love them. But I feel like they look a bit old very quickly, which is not what I want to see in a white pair of trainers. It's not even like the dirt factor, it's like the creasing of where I move my foot and everything just makes it look a bit odd. I've got a big fat like gum sole as well, which not my favorite thing, but they were cheap in the sale and I love a Zara trainer. In fact, if Zara had a good pair of these equivalents, I would have picked them up, but you'll shall see. And my ones that I've got from Zara before that are okay, and I've got a pair of Adidas ones, but they are not comfortable. So I'm praying to the Lord that these are comfortable and wearing nicely. I want to keep them nice so that I don't ruin them. But they are from Puma, and I can't remember if I've ever had a pair of Puma trainers in my life. I must have at some point. Back in the day, I used to play like squash and tennis, so I must have had like Puma or something. And these have got a name. I don't think they'll be on here. Maybe? Okay, these are the Puma CA Pro, and then they're like an edition of that, which is a neon stripe trainer in white and green. I picked these up in a UK size 6, which is a US size 7. I've got small feet, so let's have a look at what we've got. We've got tissue paper to start with. And oh my god, I can see through the tissue paper. Can you see? Kind of, you can see the neon. I wasn't expecting this to be this neon, but there we go. So this is the shoe in question. I'm only going to show you one. Now, I picked up these because, oh, what is that on them? There's like a sticker that was stuck to the bottom. Now, these remind me of Air Force Ones, but they were not Air Force One prices. Air Force Ones are, if not £90, I think they're like 110 these days, with inflation. But so, and I like a white trainer for summer and stuff. I will not be wearing these in winter. because I do not want to ruin these. They are so pristine and white, and this neon is like my favorite color, but like the neon version of that color. So yeah, this is what they look like. I will do some try on pictures. So this is from the side. This is the right foot. So this is what you would see if you were looking at the trainer. This is head on, and then like this. This is the inside bit. This is the back. So you've got the Puma logo in like the neon green, and then this is the underneath. So this bit of the shoe is neon green as well, but like a highlighter green color. And then like the tab here is green, and then you've also got the Puma, which is in gold there. And then obviously we have got the other side of the shoe. Now I looked at a review of these before I purchased them because I wasn't sure if they're, one, be true to size, which I think they said they were, and two, would they be comfortable, because that is what I need. The Adidas ones that I've got, which are very similar to this, they are just not, obviously they've got the Adidas thing on, that they were like the Sports World equivalent, Sports Direct version of like Adidas, but like chunky-ish version, because I do like a chunky trainer, and these have got a pretty hefty sole that's got Puma in there as well, just embossed, embossed, one of those. And it's got like, see, it's giving me Air Force One vibes with like the is that perforated, you know, this bit at the front and stuff. So I'm gonna have to try these on. Now with sizing, I'm obviously going to try these on and hopefully they'll fit. I'll do the cutaway. You'll see the cutaway now I don't know, sorry about the completely horrible angle, and hopefully you can hear me, and sorry about the black socks as well. I was wearing work socks. Now these are what they look like on, so from the front like that, from the side, from that is the same side but the other way, the inside, and then the back, and then the bottom. Now I would say here it comes up very high for some reason. Oh, you couldn't see. Here at the back comes up quite high in my opinion. Don't know why. They do fit. I would say they're slightly snug, slightly, and I don't think I'll be able to double lace them, which I normally do so that they don't come undone, but they fit. No, they do fit. And I can wear slightly thicker socks, because thinner socks, because these are quite thick. But yeah, they fit. They are comfortable. I wouldn't say they're the most comfortable shoe I've ever put on my foot, but time will tell. But I would say they do come quite far up here, which I don't know how comfortable that is going to be. But yeah, other than that, I think they fit okay. I can move my feet in them, like inside. I like a little bit of a wriggle room. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Hopefully they fit, because I'm still filming this after the fact that I've done the cutaway. But in terms of the sizing, I've got a size 6. In like New Balance and stuff, I'm a 6.5. So hopefully these fit me all right. I'm going to try them on. You're not going to, but I'm going to try them on. This was the last pair in a size 6. They did have a 6.5, and I was umming and ahhing about getting that because I just could wear thicker socks, but I didn't want to risk it, and then because there was only like one of those left as well. So here we go, we've got this size. I know that they look quite small on camera because my feet are not that big, but hopefully these will be good and I won't have to return them. Price wise, I got these for £39.50 I believe, with the discount of 20% off. I think they were $49 or something in the sale, and they were more expensive than that on top of it, but I will, as I say, put the prices here so you can see what they were, the original, what the sale, and then what I got as a discount. So yes, let me know your thoughts on these guys down below. I will be trying them on, as I said, and hopefully you will have seen that clip, and hopefully they fit. Fingers crossed they fit. Let me know if you've had experience with Puma shoes, because I cannot remember the last time I bought a Puma pair. If I've ever, I must have at some point, but I cannot remember. I don't know how hard they are going to style with this green bit on, but I feel like if you just wear denim shorts, then a plainish coloured top, then it's going to be fine. But yeah, really like these. I would now buy these now the heat wave has finished. Just my luck, but yeah, hope these fit. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts down below. If you're not already, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It's free, no cost to you. We do a plenty of a haul. Come shop with me around like H&M, Zara, Primark and Vista Village. We do that once a month from those places, as well as a haul if I buy anything. I've just seen like a fly flying around. Yeah, so if we do that from those places, as well as other places like Next, House of Fraser, M&S, that kind of thing, as well as hauls from different places. Come shop with me, it's Too Good To Go bags, and all that kind of jazz. So take a moment to subscribe and ring my bell to be notified when I upload, and also follow my Instagrams down below as well. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.